Hi there, my name is Subechya Person and I'm the Senior Director of Product Management at Vacasa. As a technology-forward company, we are constantly improving tools available to our homeowners. It's what differentiates us from other property management companies and is at the core of our business. Today, I am going to walk you through a valuable tool that you have at your fingertips as an owner. Vacasa Owner Portal, which is one of the simplest ways for you to access information about your home. Let's get started. And I'll walk you through some of the functionalities of the Owner Portal so accessing information about your home is easier than ever. We'll start with the calendar page, which allows you to see all the information related to your current booking and reserving the home for your own use. On this page, you can see which nights have been booked and which are still open, as well as the rates these nights are being offered at, so that if you want to book your home, you can make an informed decision based on potential earnings. On the calendar, the dark blue represents nights that can be booked, and the light blue represents days when there is availability for the guest to check out that day but can't stay that night because it's already booked. Next, we'll go through how to create an owner stay. Simply select the dates, and then we'll ask you to confirm what type of stay it is. From the drop-down menu, we'll select Owner Stay, which will prompt us to schedule housekeeping after you visit your home. Just below the calendar view, you can see all of your upcoming reservations, and you are able to click into them to see further details about that reservation. While you can always track your reservations here, you will also receive an email notification as soon as a new booking comes in. So you are always up to date on your home reservation. Now, let's move on to the performance page, which allows you to see how much revenue has been generated based on completed and upcoming bookings. Additionally, if you have been with Vacasa for multiple years, you can compare this year's revenue with last year's. Vacasa is standing by for any maintenance needs you may have, and we make it easy for you to submit a maintenance request here in the Owner Portal. Simply click on the maintenance and a new request. Upon submission, the request will automatically generate a work order for your local manager. You will be able to view the request was accepted and completed all within the Owner Portal. Now, let's visit the Home Information page, which is a great resource for you when you need to get in touch with us. Here, you'll see who your primary contact is and also how to contact the owner accounts team. And last, which of the Vacasa's program you are currently enrolled in. Statements and taxes are your home base for financial information. Every month, we upload the statement from the previous month, so you can always access your past statements should you have any questions. There are two key views here, detailed and summary. The detailed view allows you to select for any given month and see the financial details, including earnings as well as expenses. If you opt for a summary view, it will provide you a high-level summary of the previous months. The taxes page allows you to upload your W-2 as well as download any relevant tax information, all within our secure system. And finally, the setting page allows you to add direct deposit to your account, so your earnings are instantly deposited each month, way better than having to wait for a physical check to arrive in the mail. In the coming months, we'll be adding even more functionality to the Owner Portal, as well as roll out additional owner products to make it easier for you to know and see what is happening at your home. Our ask for you is to keep sharing your feedback with us. We love hearing from you, and in the end, it helps us create better and more useful products for you. Thank you very much for your time today.